Hi fam, welcome back to our channel, Design on a Dollar. I'm your host Ida, and tonight I promise it's a quick DIY. I know I always say that and it takes a long time, but it's quick. One of our family members here on YouTube told me about German German glass glitter, and I searched Sugar Camp Cottage right here, and she has lovely prices. All this stuff sparkles. It's similar to our glass fillers, but they're supposed to be much shinier than that. And tonight what I'm going to do is I am going to do two vases, two Dollar Tree vases, and these are going on some wall sconces that I've made. This is what we're going to do today. We're going to test out the German glass glitter and see how it compares to the fillers that we make from Dollar Tree or we buy from Michael's. I got a brain freeze tonight, guys. So with that being said, I want to tell you also that they sell different colors. She sells different colors as well. So without further ado, let's jump into this DIY. For this DIY, you're going to need a vessel of some sort. I have two of these, like I said. You're either going to need your glass filler, or if you decide to order some German glitter, you're going to need German glitter. Now, I am not going to like fill the jar up all the way where you can't see through it. I'm redoing my bathtub area, so y'all will see that soon. And also you will need some Mod Podge, and you can use this and sealant, the Mod Podge sealant, and I'm going to use the color matte. So let's get started on our DIY, girls. And this is some glitter Glam. You will also need paint brushes and scissors to open your glitter. So we're going to jump right into it. So basically, guys, it's just like putting Mod Podge on any other thing that we have. Ooh, that hurt. I'm just going to put some on. And again, I don't want it to be covered all the way because I want the candle, if I decide to put a candle in here, to be able to shine through. It's definitely much finer than glitter, than the filling. And it seems like it's a lot in here, and I do believe it's glistening more. I hope you guys can see that. Now I'm going to see how much fall off comes. Not that much. So I'm going to go to the next section. So this is what it's looking like so far, guys. Like this. And I really do think our family member here on YouTube was right. It does sparkle and glisten a whole lot, and I am going to take it up a notch, I think. So I'll be back when I finish the complete vessel. Okay fam, here is the one of the vases that's complete. I want you to see how well this German glass is shining. I hope the camera is picking it up for you guys. And I even thought I was gonna have to put the higher graphic glitter in here to make it shine even more, but I don't think it needs it because it is just sparkling like crazy by itself. I just think it's gonna be rays of sparkle and what's the word I'm looking for, where all the different colors come in. I don't think it's a rainbow, but if it's a rainbow, that's what it is. But I just love this. Okay, fam, so this is what's left from all 4 bags with the combination of the 40 grit and the 60 grit of the German glass. And so this is good to do two vases of this size and cover it completely. So this little bag goes a long ways. I hope you guys truly have enjoyed this DIY. So if you have, don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like, and share. And until next time, I love you guys. Bye-bye.